What are you doing?
Is that funny? Oh, Lucian Matthew.
Good job, Bear.
You like taking the hat off, Daddy?
Too funny. Too funny.
Who knew a hat could be so funny? Aww. He's getting a little Lister. Lucian.
Now you know why he doesn't like wearing hats.
Say
He
bye-bye.
thinks he looks hysterical.
Say bye-bye. 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 Hey, look at Mama. Look at Mama. Here. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. All right. He just loves that hat. All right. See you, kiddo.